In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Google reviews to your Wix website. So I am in the website editor, and here we want to search or click on Add Elements. Click on the search bar and we will search for Google reviews here, like I have. So once this loads, you will be able to see this app, Google Reviews, Rivet. If we click on Open, it will show us this application, and we want to click on Add to Site. And if we actually want to use this application, it will ask us to provide a website with a domain, and basically it will require the premium version of Wix. But after you click on here, then you will give the link to your website or your property, and then it will add Google reviews to your Wix website. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.